Need help washing your hands? There's an app for that. This is the Inside Edition Digital Coronavirus News for June 23, 2020. We know hand washing is one simple way to help prevent coronavirus infection. So, as part of its worldwide developers conference, Apple unveiled a new hand washing sensor for the iWatch. The company describes how it works.
Our approach here is using machine learning models to determine motion which appears to be hand washing, and then use audio to confirm the sound of running water or squishing soap on your hands. During this, you'll get a little coaching to do a good job. You'll see a countdown along with haptics and sounds to make sure you wash as long as you're supposed to. If you pause early, there's a polite note to keep washing.
Also, in a sign of the times, Apple also introduced a new emoji customization feature for face coverings. Apple's headquarters are in Cupertino, California. California is the most populous state in the country. And unfortunately, coronavirus cases are rising there, according to Governor Gavin Newsom.
An 11% increase over a 14-day period. Wear your masks. Practice physical distancing. Continue the hygiene that is so foundational in terms of mitigating the spread of this virus. We are not out of the first wave of this virus.
A bevy of former Golden State governors, some rivals, banded together to drive home the importance of mask wearing.
This is not about being weak.
It's about fighting the disease and keeping our families and ourselves safe.
Now, Inside Edition Digital's Mara Montalbano shares the story of a little boy sharing his love of reading during lockdown.
While many schools and libraries have been closed for months now, one little boy is still trying to keep Storytime alive. His name is Brian Rumfeld. He's 7 years old from Brooklyn, New York, and he started Brian's Book Corner. It's a Facebook group where he posts videos of himself reading books that are appropriate for his age, and really anyone can join. And as you can see, Brian likes to add his own personal style and flair to his story time. And now that the weather's been getting warmer, Brian says he may be even taking his story time outside. Let's see what he has in store for his viewers.
And Inside Edition's Jim Murray reports on one COVID-19 survivor's steep hospital bill.
This COVID-19 patient was hospitalized for 62 days and got the shock of his life when he got home and saw the medical bill.
I said, holy bleep.
70-year-old Michael Floor survived his struggle with COVID-19. Floor remembers something he told his wife in the first days of his hospitalization.
I told her that she had to get me out of there. I didn't know what it cost, but I knew it was going to cost a lot.
His release from the hospital was filled with triumph and joy. So imagine his surprise when the bill came in the mail for $1,122,501. And let's not forget the 4 cents.
Still seeing it in writing was daunting.
Here it is, 181 pages. There are 3,000 itemized charges. They include $9,736 a day for his intensive care room at Swedish Medical Center near Seattle. He was on a ventilator for 29 days. Total cost, $83,000. Thankfully, Floor's insurance will take care of most, if not the entire amount.
The irony would be if you survived COVID and then had a heart attack when you saw the bill.
Yeah, that would have been tragic.
There are more than 9.1 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 and more than 470,000 deaths worldwide. There are more than 2.3 million cases and over 120,000 deaths in the United States. For more on the coronavirus pandemic, visit InsideEdition.com.